What is up, guys? I'm back with another video. If you're new, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. This is gonna be one of two parts. I'm gonna be taking you guys to the Super Drive event at the Sacramento Raceway, and my first event repping the Ominous sticker. That is my new group, and yeah, we're gonna get right into this vlog. Recording. I was here early and I didn't record no cars. Just walking around. Jesus. Go get your STI, bro. To the wheels. Ooh, it's clean.
This is like a... How do people get a hold of these?
Guys, we got the F30 in the show today. We got the homie Frost over here in his 328. And yeah.